The crowd erupts as the Dodgers step onto field, showcasing their iconic blue and white uniforms, filled with anticipation for an exhilarating matchup against the Blue Jays. As the game begins, fans cheer wildly, waving banners and wearing jerseys to support their teams. The energy in the stadium is palpable, a sea of blue and white mixed with vibrant blue and black. The first pitch is thrown, and the crack of the bat echoes in the air as the Dodgers take their turn at the plate, aiming for a strong start in this crucial game. In response, the Blue Jays send their ace pitcher to mound, delivering a series of impressive strikeouts, leaving Dodgers players scrambling to make contact. The scoreboard ticks slowly as each inning passes, showcasing tense moments and near misses that keep fans on the edge of their seats, hearts pounding with excitement. With every base hit, the cheers grow louder and the players exchange encouraging glances, fueled by the passion of their fans who fill the stands. A highlight play unfolds as a stunning catch is made in the outfield, prompting an uproar from the crowd, signaling that this game is far from over. As the innings progress, both teams make strategic moves, showcasing their depth in pitching and batting, leading to a nail-biting battle for supremacy. In the seventh inning stretch, fans rise to sing and celebrate the thrill of the game, a moment of unity that transcends rivalry as both sides soak in the atmosphere. As the final innings approach, tension mounts. Each pitch feels like a defining moment, with players pushing their limits and giving their all for a potential victory. With the score close, the intensity escalates, each team digging deep, showcasing stunning athleticism and determination to outmaneuver their opponent. In a dramatic final at-bat situation, the crowd holds its breath, knowing that one swing could change the fate of the game forever. The game concludes with a nail-biting finish that leaves fans spellbound, as both teams walk off the field with their heads held high, knowing they gave it their all. As the lights dim and the stadium empties, the camaraderie and rivalry linger, reminding fans of the game well played and the excitement that awaits next time.